This is how to crochet a simple leaf. You start by chaining 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Chain extra 1, then you single crochet, then you double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and the third one. Then you treble crochet another 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then you double crochet another 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then you single crochet into the last stitch. Single crochet again. Then chain 5. This is the stalk of the leaf. Then single crochet backwards. So you start the second part of the leaf. Then turn your work, turn the main leaf, then start the process all over again. Single crochet 1, single crochet again, then start double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then start treble crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You single crochet, then you slip stitch into the leaf. Single crochet, and our leaf is formed. This is beautiful. You can use this leaf to decorate your work and all that. So this is the outcome. So you can hide your work, hide the remaining wool inside the leaf. This is how to hide it. So that is it. I hope you have learned how to crochet a leaf now.